So I headed over to AutoZone here, and they had this guy, 5/6 lug wheel spacer, which happens to fit just perfectly on there. So I've got a little bottle jack, or whatever the hell, jack stand type combo thing on there holding the frame up, and I've got this little big jack holding the axle up high enough so that this thing spins. So, and yes, that's the technical word for it, thing. Not wheel, not rim, not anything else, thing. Alright, I'm going to get this thing off and get the spacer in place, and then we'll see if this still rubs. I don't think it will though, because that should give me about 1/4 inch of extra space. You can see what it looks like. That's where it's been rubbing at, and this is what it did to the tire. It's not terrible though. I keep using the tire, it's fine. So, now you take this to your spacer, stick it on any which way that it fits, and then we'll slap the wheel back on it and it'll be all done. There you go. Looks totally different, doesn't it? But there is space now. Let's see if we can get up in there, maybe you can see. I don't know, I guess I can't quite get it in there to show it, but you can see my fingers fit in behind there now. So it's good.